In today's hair business news, I'm going to show you how easy it is to dropship hair extensions and wigs in 2024. I'm going to have links in the description to all the resources that I talk about in this video today. Special shout out to my almost 40,000 members of the Hair Business Blueprint Facebook group. Love you guys. But before I show you how easy it is to dropship hair extensions in 2024, let's go over a little bit about the hair business news. This weekend is the Bronner Brothers Hair Show. I was there yesterday with Private Label. We were having a great time making some amazing contacts. It is back. I mean, Bronner Brothers 2024, we are at pre-pandemic levels. It is amazing. It was packed yesterday. We're making contacts. Hopefully, if you're watching this, maybe I'll see you this weekend. If so, make sure you stop by the booth. At the Bronner Brothers Show, we are showcasing the new glueless wigs. These wigs are absolutely stunning. You can check it out if you need ghost wig making service at privatelabelwigs.com, or you can come see them in person and show. I can honestly tell you I've had multiple people tell me that they look even better in person. This news goes hand in hand with today's video. These are the 5 new 2024 dropshipping website templates for your hair extension business, for your beauty and wig business. This is just one example site. It has everything you need to get started, and you can join the Hair Business Masterclass, and that link's in the description. And we're going to go over how to market and manage and run your Shopify store, pretty much everything you need to have a successful hair business. If you want to dropship hair extensions in 2024, you're definitely going to want to be on the Shopify platform and use the Dropship Beauty app. Now, this app is already installed in the templates that I showed you earlier, but if you have a Shopify store and you want to start dropshipping, you can install this app, get access to over $1 million in products that's based here in the USA, ships the same day, and makes your life a lot easier. I'm actually in this video going to walk you through how the Dropship Beauty app actually works for your hair business. Once you install the app, you're going to come into this screen. This is just the basic dashboard. You have some of the basic information here. Okay, when you have orders come in, they're going to be in this section here. You have the product section, which we're going to go over in just a second. Your import list, so you're basically going to move your products over to the import list, which I'm going to show you. This is your account access here where you can manage your membership. You can save your credit card information. What's good about that is as orders come in, you can easily log in, pay for the orders, and it takes just seconds to process orders, which is amazing. And then you have the price settings, which we're going to go over next, and then the notifications. So as new products are added to Dropship Beauty, you will have a notification here. As you can see, Dropship Beauty just added a bunch of color of the new seamless ponytails and the seamless clip-ins, 2x6 closures. So new products are always being added to the system. And once they're added to the system, you can quickly import them, which I'm going to show you how. But first, I like to set the price setting. So let's just say the price multiplier. Say your cost, which is in the system here, is $20 for a product and you want to sell it for $40, you're going to move the price multiplier to 2x. So this is automatically going to import the product at that price into your store. So if it was $50, it'd be $100. If it was a $100 wig, it's going to be a $200 wig that you're going to retail it for. You're going to sell it for $200. You're going to buy it for $100, and you'll have about $100 profit minus some credit card fees. Now, you can also round your prices. You can do not round prices, which I do not recommend. You can round prices to the nearest dollar. So it'd be $100 would be 100.00, or to the nearest 99 cents, meaning it would be $100.99. So that's just a basic, nice setting. I'm going to save this here. Now let's go over to the products, and let's just say we wanted to start out and import bundle deals, right? So this is just a test store, so I don't have anything here. I don't even have categories yet. But we have all the products here, so we can, if we want to import all these products, these are the bundle deals, simply click the product selector to add all of them. We're going to add it to the import list. Okay, so we're going to add that. Now you can import it directly into Shopify, but what I like to do is just double check everything here in the import list. You can click Edit Listing. It's going to give you, it'll go through a little tutorial for you. So it has a basic product description here, and you can check out your price, your cost, your profit margin. It sets everything here. If you want to make individual product level adjustments to the price, you can slide this here and it's going to update the price for you. I'm just going to leave it at 2x for this tutorial. And then collections. So we're going to want to put this into a collection. So let's go back to the import list. This will show you the imported products. I'm going to select all products here, and I'm going to show you how easy this is. So import to store, and then I'm going to click confirm. And then they're going to be in queue. So it takes just a couple minutes, maybe less than a minute, to import it to the store. It just depends on how many people are importing products at the same time. But I think it's going to be pretty quick. It actually has a little notice here that tells you, hey, this is what's happening. So if you have a bunch of products in here, say you have bundles and wigs and everything else, what's going to happen is you can import the basics that you want at once, and then you'll know whether or not they're being imported, which is really convenient. So under products, look at that. Like this was done in seconds. So what I also might want to do is add those to a collection. And I'm going to add these products to that collection. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's just say I add a tag, and we're going to call the tag Bundle Deals. Add the tag, save, Bundle Deals. So you can create the collection two ways. You can have manual, or you can have automated that uses a tag. So we're going to use a Bundle Deals tag. So automated, product tag equal to Bundle Deals. Not drills, deals. Save. Boom. There you go. Bundle Deals in your collection. Now, if I wanted to edit this into the online store and put it right in the front, I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. And with the pre-built templates, all this is fully customizable. So you can see that they're already here. That's because that's under the featured collection. And that's all. So that's showing all products. But if I wanted to change the collection and just show Bundle Deals, we can do that. If I wanted to make it look a little bit better, I would enable the carousel on the product here, and I'd make it full width. And I'd probably add about 10, and I'd like the 5, so it's a little bit smaller. Look at that, slides right over. You would figure out all the products that you would like to add, and you can do so within the Dropship Beauty app. So you'll see the import list. You're going to see already the imported products. So you can go back here to the dashboard, and you'll see that you have 235 more products for import. And you can also see here, you can go by and import a single product if you just wanted to click this and then come up here, import to Shopify. And boom, that product's already importing to Shopify really, really quick. And then you would go back and add that to your category and make sure it's placed on your website. So this is just a brief overview of how easy it is to dropship hair in 2024 using the Dropship Beauty app. I'm going to have, oh, there's my little notification. It was already imported. That's real convenient. I'm going to have more tutorials coming through. So make sure that you're subscribing to the Hair Business Blueprint so I can show you how to market and manage your hair extension business in 2024. All right, guys, I got to get ready for day 2 of the Bronner Brothers Hair Show. It's going to be insanely packed today. So I got to have my A game. I got to go out, grab another cup of coffee. Hopefully I'll see you there, but I'll be back tomorrow with more hair business news.